I am about to head out the door for a walk and enjoy this nice weather, and I've realized I haven't given a review of my new pieces from Set Active, and you guys, I'm so obsessed. I don't know how I haven't been shopping them for the longest time. First is this gray set. I did the matching set. I did the leggings that have a little piping going down the side, and then this little tank. It is double layered, which I think is so cute. I love the double straps. I feel like that's very trending right now. I love the length of it. I can pull it down over the pants. If you have a longer torso, it would probably show a little bit, but I do like that it's not exposed the whole way through. I did a medium in both of these, and I will say the leggings are very fitted. I think these would be such a perfect pair of leggings to wear if you are like a Pilates girl or yoga. For me, I go on walks. I do at-home workouts. So this would be so perfect to wear at home while I'm doing one of those. I just love it. And the leggings are not see-through, which is key. We love that. Such a cute look. I feel very trendy. And then I did this matching set. I love the sports bra so much. It's incredibly supportive. Doesn't have pads, so it's really surprising how supportive it is. I personally would wear a t-shirt over this or a tank top or maybe even like a little zip up. And then the leggings are incredibly supportive as well. I love the piping down the side. They are nice and form-fitting throughout the whole body. They are not see-through, which is great. There's no gapping, there's no front seam, which we love. Just such a cute little workout look. Now I am definitely motivated to get my body moving before summer. Grab these while they still have them.